Hello and welcome to the lesson on how to multiply two matrices. Alright, matrix multiplication. And now if you recall from addition and subtraction, they have to have the same dimensions in order to add or subtract. When you're multiplying matrices, the number of rows in the second has to equal the number of columns in the first. So, hang on. I'm just trying to get the pen going here. All right. So, the number of columns in the first has to equal the number of rows in the second. And if you recall, the numbers in the matrix, it's rows by columns, okay? So, columns in the first have to equal rows in the second. The resulting matrix is the two outside numbers, okay? So that's how you'll know what size matrix to expect when you multiply. Now, there is a whole process to go through to do this manually, but we're not going to do that. We're going to fire up our calculators. So, fire up your calculator. Pause the video if you have to get your calculator going. So let me show you how to put the matrices in the calculator. So over here on the calculator, I'm going to hit second matrix, and we're going to edit. So we move over twice and we hit enter because we want to edit matrix A. The first thing it asks you for your dimensions. 2, enter, 2, enter, because matrix A is a 2 by 2. So now as you put the numbers in, put in 7, hit enter, it automatically moves it to the right. 0, enter, 5, enter, 3, enter. So we're done. You can hit second quit. Let's put the other two matrices in there because we'll probably going to be needing them. So we have second matrix. We want to go over twice to edit, then one down to matrix B. And again, B is a 2 by 2. And we enter the elements. 3, 4, 1, 2. And we can go second matrix. Again, move over to edit, move down to C, hit enter. And C is a 2 by 2 as well. -1, 6, 4, and 2. So we've now entered all three matrices. So we want to find B times C. So we're going to go second matrix, move down 1 to B and hit enter. Then multiply the times sign right here, right? Times second matrix, move down 2 to matrix C, B times C. Right? Double check, make sure that's what we want, hit enter. And B times C for my calculator screen. It's 13, 26, 7, and 10. Okay? So that's how you do multiplication. Let's do A times C now, just to make sure we have the process down. Second matrix. It's already on A, so you hit enter. Times second matrix. Move down twice to C, right? A times C. And there you go. -7, 42, 7, and 36. So let's talk about what happens on the calculator if you go and multiply two matrices that you can't multiply. What you'll get on the calculator, so let's take a look at this. Let's say we want to multiply matrix B times matrix C. So it's B is a 2 by 3 times a C is also a 2 by 3. If you look, the two inside numbers don't match. When you go to put that in the calculator and you say B times C on the classwork here, it's going to give you a dimension mismatch. And that's what you write. You write dimension mismatch for the ones that you cannot multiply. Okay, so multiplying matrices has rules, and this is the rule. Most of the just about everything else we're going to be doing is all going to be matrix work on the calculator. So this lesson was brought directly to you from my dining room table, and this is the lesson on matrix multiplication.